Hello everyone, warm greetings to you all. Welcome back to DN Production. I'm so happy you're here with me today. So we are about to unlock some powerful tips on best AI tools for nonprofits to save time and increase impact 2026. So stick around because you won't want to miss what's coming next. And before we move on, this is your presenter. So as I've been telling you, we are going to look at best AI tools for nonprofits to save time and increase impact this 2026. I'm going to guide you on every step. And as we already know, small profits and non-governmental organizations, that we can say maybe NGOs, often operate with limited staff and resources. So I'm about to make you explore the best AI tools to help organizations automate reporting, streamline communication, and improve operational efficiency. So as we move on really quick, we are going to, as I've been telling you, to look at how we can empower these nonprofits through artificial intelligence or AI. And in evolving the landscape of nonprofit work, leveraging artificial intelligence isn't about just adopting maybe new technology. It's about maximizing human potential, like to the fullest capacity what humans can do. And as we know, AI tools can really alleviate the burden of repetitive tasks, freeing up valuable time and resources that can be redirected towards the core mission that's making a difference, as we know. So as we quickly learn into, the first thing, as we heard, it's automating repetitive tasks, which is by freeing up staff from administration burdens like data entry. Most people can really testify that. And report generation as real quick as possible. Moving on to the next is increasing operational efficiency by streamlining workflows and improve decision making with intelligent insights. And the third is enhancing communication, maybe drafting, comparing donor appeals, and international communications more effectively. AI can really help you in that. And then the next is amplifying mission impact, like focusing more energy on direct program delivery and community engagement. So real quick, we are going to start by already what we all know, that's ChatGPT. And most of us really use ChatGPT in many kind of different things, but here we're going to look at it in a way as an AI writing assistant. So ChatGPT is a powerful language model that can be an invaluable asset for nonprofits. Like, it excels at generating human-like text, making it perfect for tasks that demand clear and comparing written communication. So I want us to rush very quickly, as we can see. I just want to give you some demos after this presentation. And the first thing AI will help you is drafting grant proposals, generating initial drafts, summarize research, and refine language for clarity and impact. And then the next thing is donor communication, maybe creating personalized thank you notes, appeal letters, and this is really useful to use, because after, just for your brand promotion, you need to at least maybe create thank you notes, appeal letters, and some newsletters to show the donors how everything is running into the nonprofit. And then the next thing is report generation, like synthesize data into concise summarizes and comprehensive program reports. This is really, really essential. And then lastly, we have to brainstorm ideas and draft captivating posts to boost engagement and outreach, as this era is all about social media and what we use every day. The next AI tool I'm going to really tell you that's really effective is Notion. I don't think many people are aware of this, but Notion is a centralized workflow management tool, and this is an all-in-one workspace that transforms how teams collaborate and manage projects. Like for nonprofits, it really gives you a flexible platform to consolidate information like tracking progress and standardized processes, moving away from fragment tools. So the key benefits for this nonprofits, the first thing we'll hope is the project management, like tracking initiatives, deadlines, and responsibilities in one place. Knowledge base, like creating a centralized repository for important documents, policies, and facts as frequently asked questions. These are most important. And then the last thing is volunteer onboarding, like streamline the process with checklists and training materials. And what some people really use this Notion in real life is preparing and sharing agendas, minutes, and action items, and also manage like create custom database to track interaction and pages, like that's in donor relationship management. And then also in event planning, which is really necessary in organizing logistics, assigning tasks, and monitor progress for fundraising events, like most really nonprofits do use. And as we move on, we have this tool also. It's really great, and most people actually do use it right now. It's becoming famous, which is Canva. Canva helps really to elevate your visual outreach. It's really something that most people are now aware of, and thousands and millions of people are now using it. So in a world saturated with information, visual communication is more critical than ever before. And this Canva really empowers nonprofits to create a professional quality designs without needing specialized graphic design skills. Like, I can really testify, I do really use it, though I am already a graphic designer, but I really use it. But it's user friendly. It does not require you to have specialized graphic design skills. Anyone can really do it, because I will show you after this presentation. So its intuitive interface and vast library of templates make it easy to produce stunning visuals that really capture the attention and convey your message effectively as you really want it. So the first thing that it does are these campaign materials. If you really need to design, compare links, social media posts, flyers, and maybe banners for your fundraising initiatives and awareness campaigns, Canva is the best tool. The second thing is outreach visuals, maybe infographics, email headers, and presentation to communicate your impact and stories. And lastly is impact reporting, like annual reports, impact statements, and program brochures that resonate with the stakeholders. Canva is the best solution too. So as we move on, we have to know this structured implementation framework. I think most of the people who really follow me, most of them are public relations directors, public relations managers, and that kind of field where it requires you to convey your messages or try to relate with the public from your company. So integrating new AI tools effectively requires a thoughtful approach. This framework guides nonprofits through the process, ensuring successful adoption and maximum benefit. So as I've really summarized this, maybe we need to talk about it more. You have to pre-subscribe and continue watching my YouTube videos. I upload every Thursday to get to know more, and then ask questions, comment. I'll be answering everything that you are in need of. So as we're moving on, the first thing you need to do is to first assess the needs, what the company needs, what your nonprofit organization needs, and then pilot the program. And then after, you need to train the stuff. And then the lastly is to scale and optimize. I'm sure if you're following these steps, ensures that AI tools are not just adopted, but are strategically integrated to deliver sustainable value to your organization. So the first thing you need to do, as I told you before, is to assess your organization needs. And before diving into any tool, identify the specific challenges and pain points your nonprofit faces. What does consume the most time? Where do communication breakdowns occur? A clear understanding of your needs will guide your AI tool selection. So the first is to identify bottlenecks, pinpointing areas where processes are slow and inefficient. Then clearly state what you hope to achieve with AI. Maybe reduce report generation by 30%, increase donor engagement by 15%, and more and more and more. Then also gather input from staff across different departments to ensure buy-in and comprehensive understanding of the needs. As we continue, we are going to look at the pilot program and evaluation, where we will start small. Select one or two specific areas or teams to pilot your chosen AI tool, as you really get that. Then this allows you to test its efficiency in a controlled environment. You gather feedback and make necessary adjustments before a wider rollout. Then also implement the tool with a small group or for a specific project to minimize risk. Then actively correct input from users to identify what works and what needs improvement. Then track key metrics to evaluate the tool's effectiveness against your defined objectives. So the third is, by the way, and the last is to train the staff and adoption. Successful AI integration hinges on effective training and support. You have to equip your staff with knowledge and confidence to use the new tools. Ongoing support really ensures smooth adoption and addresses any challenge that arises, like by providing practical training sessions tailored to different roles, develop user guides, frequently asked questions, and video tutorials for user reference, and then designated champions where appoint staff members as AI advocates to provide peer support and guidance. These are the 3 steps to use. Then the fourth, as an extra, is scale and optimize for long-term impact. And once the pilot is successful, really gradually expand the use of the AI tool across your organization. Like continuously monitor its performance, gather feedback, and explore new ways to optimize its use to attain efficiency and impact. The first phase to do is to expand tool adoption to other departments or projects, building on the initial successes, and also regularly review metrics to ensure the tool continues to meet organizational goals. Then also stay updated on new features and best practices to adapt the tool to evolving needs. So if you found this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss any future content. And I would love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and let me know what you want to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.